Top 10 most handsome Thai BL actors who will never work in BL dramas. 1. Nanan Korapat and Oham Pawat. Fans of the actors in Greater Heights began shipping them together when their series eventually aired, with some even going so far as to argue that their tight friendship proved they were a real couple. They stopped speaking in public, appeared uncomfortable, and would separate themselves at business occasions as a result of the fence. Nanan removed every photo of him and Om from his Instagram account. For his future BL followers, their joint management organization merged Om with newcomer Link and stopped selling CP items. Nanan faced a lot of backlash on his Instagram page as most people accused him of destroying the ship. In order to put the hate behind him, he decided to take a break from work and concentrate on his music. However, the fans chased him there and even attended his concert wearing Om masks. These obsessive fans ruined any possibility of Oham and Nanan reuniting. When asked if Nanan would return to BL, he replied that he would only do so if he were older or in need of money, which offended BL supporters who felt that his statement was harsh. 2. Parth Dhanapon and Seth Superpunk. Parth and Seth worked together in the drama series Love by Chance. Seth was allegedly detested by Parth's management, who published false and nasty allegations about him, naming him a prostitute and claiming he had affairs with managers. Because he must care for his mother after his father passed away, the management of Parth would inform event organizer that if they did not include Seth, they could have Parth and other boys at a cheaper rate. Because Seth and Parth were no longer able to collaborate, Seth made the decision to stop Love by Chance. Parth and Seth have personally reconciled, but Seth felt a lot of pressure and criticism and thought giving up acting entirely before changing his mind. Seth decided never to be in a BL pair again and founded Idol Factory to produce shows free of the drama. 3. Chu Young-woo. The fame he received from a BL and the many loyal fans who helped him along the way. This BL helped him start his acting career, which led to fame and fortune. However, despite his newfound success, he has been trying to hide any evidence of his involvement in the BL. He has deleted all of the photos from his Instagram account while keeping all of the photos from his other roles. He also avoids bringing up his BL role when giving acceptance speeches for significant awards, which hurt his supporters who have been with him from the start. He stated that his management had backed his choice to stop doing BL. 4. Paolo Pangilinan. The actors and crew wanted to collaborate on reworking the executive summary of the second season following a writer argument. He said he would confront a former cast member who had called him garbage after deciding to become a doctor. 5. Kanavot Raipipatnapong and Mew Supasit. They worked together in the drama Than Type this series. Because of their on-screen chemistry, many fans do believe that they were together in real life. During that time, Gulf had a girlfriend, but the backlash she faced from fans caused them to break up. Years later, Gulf said he didn't manage the issue well because he felt awful for his ex-girlfriend and that it was too much. Subscribe for more videos.